Welcome. I am honored to have your presence and this opportunity to guide you. So let's begin. You desire to make healthy life choices, and you want to exercise daily and see the magnificent changes that exercise brings to your body and even your mind. Get into a very comfortable position and make sure you will not be disturbed. Allow your arms to feel heavy by your sides. Give yourself now the time to breathe your very best. For most of us, we go entire days without even thinking about breathing. Yet it is the very thing keeping us alive. Your breath has been there since the beginning, fitting to each moment exactly as it needs. The breath never asks questions, and it never judges you. It simply does what it is required, instantaneously. Let's honor our breath now and all that it gives us by taking 5 significant and purposeful breaths. 1. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. 2. Inhale, filling your entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it, and exhale, noticing again that gentle wave of relaxation sweeping over you. 3. Inhale very deeply so that you are brimming with air, taking a moment at the top to soak in the life force we call oxygen. And exhale, noticing your body relaxing in different areas without any effort from you. 4. Fully inhale the life force, beginning to feel these breaths purify your entire body. Exhaling now, not having to do anything at all. And 5. Last one, a full breath coming in. Hold it, feeling the goodness of this simple task, and exhale, allowing that wave of relaxation to sweep over you again. Take note of how you are feeling in this very moment. You now have an abundance of oxygen. This is how we were truly created to feel. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion. Let your breath be natural now and notice how abundance feels. Good. Now, let's ease into a state of complete relaxation, opening the subconscious mind, allowing for any changes to take place. Begin to slowly blink your eyes, and with each number I say, blink once. 10, blink. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, blinking your eyes, 2, 1, and 0. Allow your eyes to gently close, and when you do, you feel a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Now just become aware of your body. Feel the space around you Notice how the space around you hugs to your shape. Notice the feeling of your weight. And see if you can feel the earth below you, as if it's pressing up, supporting you. Good. Now become aware of the top of your head and put all of your focus here, noticing any sensations you have. Now moving down your focus on your eyes and feel how they feel, and notice the tiny movements they are making. These movements relax you further. Notice now your nose and feel the air passing through as you breathe in and out. Noticing now your mouth and taking your awareness down your neck. And if you have any tension, just ask it to release. Notice the sensations in your body is making you very relaxed and comfortable. Now send your focus down your arms, all the way to each fingertip. Feeling the sensations of touch in your fingertips. Your focus is now on your abdomen and all of your vital organs. Just notice how your belly feels and how it's digesting. Notice your pelvis and hips and the sensations of how you are sitting or laying. This takes you deeper into a state of relaxation. Your awareness goes down each leg, over the knees, down all the way to your feet, and to each toe. Notice how completely relaxed your entire body feels right now. Good. You have now become aware of every part of your body. This is meditative. I'm going to tell you something very important, and you will deeply hear the words that I have to say to you, and they will affect your life for the better. You are completely aware at every level of your mind, and even though your body may feel asleep, these things I'm going to tell you will change your life. Exercise is extremely important. You can start your day by moving your body after a long night's rest. When you go for a walk or a run, gaze at the plants and the trees and feel them supporting you in your fitness journey. They do provide you with oxygen after all. And if you notice any troublesome thoughts coming your way, look at nature and appreciate its oxygen, and take a deep breath. Breathing and exercise remove toxins from our body and heal us in every way. Exercising is one of the most important things you can do for your body. Notice how you are feeling right now, imagining the power of exercising. Now hear yourself saying, "I go to bed with ease so that when I rise, I am well rested and ready for my morning exercise routine." Exercising comes easy to me. I push through hard workouts and soreness so that I don't lose the progress I've built. Exercising is important to me. I enjoy exercising. When I have free time, I research healthy foods to eat and which foods to avoid. When I have a good fitness routine, I feel good about myself. I notice the changes that my body makes when I exercise every day. Exercising brings me energy. I love exercising. When I exercise, I feel a little accomplishment each time. I pace myself when I exercise as to not fatigue my muscles. And I rest when I need to rest so that I can recover from the exercises I do. And in order to change all that I desire, I simply practice new techniques that build healthy habits every single day without skipping a day. So let's come back to wakeful awareness now, bringing back new energy to exercise every day. All right, I'm going to count back from 1 to 10, and you are going to slowly open your eyes whenever you are ready. 1, 2, breathing in fresh energy. 3, 4, 5, 6, coming back. 7, 8, ready to exercise. 9, and 10. Welcome back.